Deep in Sri Lanka's Wilpattu forest, we found a rare natural gem, the Platypleura capitata, or Green Cicada. With its vibrant green body, black markings, and clear wings, it's a striking sight, rarely seen up close. Most cicadas are only heard, their loud calls echoing through the trees, but this one revealed itself. Harmless yet vital, it helps sustain the forest's balance. Found only in dry zones like Wilpattu, it's a silent guardian of the ecosystem. If you hear a strange rhythm in the trees, stop. You might be near one of nature's rarest singers.